Hello, I am Madhuri Madatta, a biology educational content creator. Today's topic will be conducted for the class 11. I will discuss here the unit 1 and the chapter is the diversity of living organism, which is the first chapter of the class 11 CBSE, ICSE and other boards and also NET aspirants. Please follow my Facebook page and follow my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima. I also share the link in the comment box for my YouTube channel. Previous content for class 11 was a introductory content, and in this content I will discuss about the taxonomy and systematics. At first, we know about classification. What is the classification? The method of placing organisms into groups on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities in a system way is called classification. Need of classification, or what is the importance of the classification? Vast number of plants and animal species are present. It is impossible to study all the organisms on individual basis or separately. For the ease to studying, ranks or categories are created to the place the organism. And to understand the interrelationship among different group of organisms, next exact identification and classification are required in other subfields of the biology like fisheries, apiculture, cericulture, etc. Categories of classification or types of the classification. The first type is artificial system of classification. What is the artificial system of classification? When the classification is done on the basis of one or two morphological categories only. That is, Aristotle, Aristotle classified plants, trees, shrubs, and herbs. Carolus Linnaeus classified plant kingdom on the basis of the two floral characters, that is stamen and carpel. On the basis of the stamens and carpels, Carolus Linnaeus classified plant kingdom into 24 classes. Next type is the natural system of classification. It is a complete morphology, anatomy, cytology, embryology, and other characters except phylogeny are considered to classify the organism. Next, natural classification is believed to be the best classification because it represents the natural similarities and dissimilarities of plants, that is, represents the interrelationship among plants. Next, one of the best natural classification was given by the Bentham and Hooker in the book Genera Plantarum. In the classification, number and codes are assigned to all the characters and the data are prepared and then processed. Those organisms which have maximum similarities are placed in the same group. In this way, each character is given equal importance and at the same time hundreds of characters can be considered. Next type or next categories is phylogenetic classification. This classification is based on all the characters of organism including their evolutionary relationship. A.W. Eichler and the Hutchison and Takhtajan and Oswald Tippo gave the phylogenetic classification. Taxonomy. Definition. The Greek term taxonomy was coined by A.P.D. Cantor. Linnaeus is considered as the father of taxonomy, the branch of science or biology which deals with the study of principles and procedures of classification is called taxonomy. The fundamental elements of taxonomy, that is the characterization and identification. This includes determination of the similarities of an organism with an already known organism based upon the specific characters. Nomenclature, it is the determination of correct name of an organism according to established universal rules. And classification, it is a grouping of organisms into convenient categories on the basis of easily observable characters. Types of taxonomy. These are three types, that is cytotaxonomy. The use of cytological characters, that is chromosome number, chromosome morphology, chromosome size, total length of chromosome, arm ratio of the chromosome, etc. Karyotaxonomy based on the characters of nucleus and chromosome. And next is the chemotaxonomy, the uses of chemical characters of plants in classification or in solving taxonomic problems are called chemotaxonomy or chemical taxonomy. Next, modern taxonomy consists 5 branches, that is comparative, external and internal structures. Based on the taxonomy is comparative, that is the external and internal structure. Based on cytology, that is the structure of cell, and based on the embryology, that is the developmental process. And next is the based on the ecology, ecological information of organism, and based on evolutionary relationship among. And next is the most important topic is systematics. The word systematics is derived from the Latin word systema, which means the systematic arrangement of organism. It was first used by Carolus Linnaeus. According to him, systematics is the discipline of biology which deals with the kind and diversity of all organisms and the existing relationships among them. Salient features of the systematics. Then systematics or biosystematics or neosystematics is based upon all characters, that is morphological, cytological, ecological, biochemical and genetical, etc. The term neosystematics was coined by Julian Huxley. Next, the main uses of systematics are given below. Or what is the importance of the systematics? It helps in providing knowledge of great diversity of animals and plants. It provides information regarding evolution that took place among plants and animals by knowing their distinction, relationship, habits, and habitats. It thus gives a vivid picture of entire organic diversity. It helps the identification of fossils, which gives useful information about the phylogeny of organisms. Today's topic is ended.